Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for those that are asking about Microsoft Edge update that we got this week, so we did get an update. It was actually released on Monday, and I didn't check because I didn't think there was going to be an update so early. But it does seem that Monday was an update for Microsoft Edge. So if you go into the upper right, three dots, help and feedback and about Microsoft Edge. You are at 150.0.4078.105 as of right now on Wednesday, July the 29th. And this has no security updates in it. It's really bug fixes. So what they're saying is that they have various bug fixes and performance fixes for Edge. So that's probably because there was maybe a few things that they needed to fix in the browser. So nothing more, and it's a simple update. Of course, we are waiting for the weekly security updates that are going to arrive at some point. Chrome had an update last Thursday, so usually when they have one late in the week, there's a little bit later in the week, so it could be today, could be tomorrow, Thursday. But we do expect to have the Chrome browser and, of course, at some point, Edge also for the security updates. So, yep, just bug fixes for the Edge update on Monday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.